Hi, I'm Karan from second year of NMIMS BSSA, the Architectural College for NMIMS. I'm here to share a very unique experience with y'all, which we basically do in the second year. So it's something from the design studio that we carry forward, which is called the installations. And basically what we do is like we work out a design, and then with the help of our faculties and classmates we improvise on it, and then this design is then converted into a full scale model, and then we work out on the budget of the model, and then we get workers to work with us, and then we fabricate the model entirely. And this is how we have a 1:1 ratio full scale model that is put up, humanized size. So this is one of the most unique features and doesn't happen anywhere else. It happens only over here in BSSA. So that's about it. And when it comes to other workshops and other facilities, we have the privilege of using the laser cutting laboratory and the 3D printing facilities that is provided by this institution.